Good morning, everybody. Well, we got a lot going on today. I need to get the trailer hooked up to the pickup truck. I need to load skid steer. We're gonna go work on building that dam back up again. I need to, well, let me flip the camera around. I need to get the rototiller off of that tractor because I'll need the little tractor. There's a lot of things over here I need to move. I probably should get the big tractor hooked up to the chisel plow so I can get the chisel plow off, or out of the way I should say. I have to get this tank into the barn because as you can see, we developed a leak in it. This is our diesel fuel tank that we haul fuel out to the field to fill up the tractors and combines and stuff. So I got to get that taken care of. I got to get the chisel plow here moved so I can get to this big pile of dirt back here because I need to haul that over to where the dam broke. So you can kind of see where we started to dig out some little dirt here and there, but that's kind of the plan today. First thing is I need to get the skid steer over to where the dam broke, and I have to, basically I got to blaze a trail getting back in there. So we will kind of go from there and see what's going to happen. I'm also trying out some new editing apps, and until I get my actual new camera in the mail, I'm doing all this off my phone, so it should be interesting. I guess first things first, someone needs to be filled with fuel. That way we don't run out, because not gonna lie, that would suck. You don't ever want to run out with fuel. Oops. Kind of hard to do this while you're videotaping, because I'm looking at the video and not the camera. Oop, come on, go in reverse. There we go. Perfect. Okay, that wasn't so bad. Bugs are terrible back here. I will kind of give you an overview here of what we need to do. This is the pond. Let me flip the camera around. As I'm walking around in the what used to be the pond or lake or whatever you want to call it, I did notice there's a lot of downed trees in here. There's a big rock right there I can use. The biggest thing now is I got to try and get the mini excavator down inside this pond because of the fact that the banks are so steep. That's going to be a little on the tricky side trying to get that down here. But if we can get her down here, I can move all this stuff around with the mini excavator, because it's really dry walking around here. Ooh, there's another big rock right there. I can grab that as well and see what goes. Oh, there was a turtle or something that jumped out there in the water. Fell down in. Pretty good size too. Looks like there's several big rocks around here, maybe even some stumps I can throw in there to help fill the void. But as you can see, I'm right at the edge of the water, and it should be the water should be above my head right now where I'm standing, and it's not. I'm surprised I'm not seeing dead fish around. I would assume the fish grabbed them